Good morning, guys. It's a brand new day and brand new adventure. We're heading out now to go check out some more stuff in Ghana. So tag along with us, guys, and enjoy. What is going on down there?
What's up?
What's up? What's going on? Morning. Who's leaving today?
Us.
For what?
All of us, I guess.
For what reason? Yeah? Who's Louis about this? I can't deal with rich people, you know.
You can't what?
Can't deal with rich people. Whose Louis bag is that?
You're so annoying.
You pressure me, you know.
I'm not pressuring
You're
anybody.
pressuring me.
I'm not pressuring anybody. I beg. I don't have power money. Please leave me alone.
Oh man.
Look at your wrist. I don't have power money. Oh please, look at your wrist. I don't have power money.
Try to pressure me down.
We see your wrist.
You see the bag in the corner?
I seen that too. And fresh, fresh, not even taken out.
Fresh. No mileage. Go on, man, can't look at them.
Look guys, you're gonna feel even more home. You're gonna feel even more home.
Star fruit, honey.
And it has so much salt.
Paul. Yeah, guys, we got some food. Yo, this is some real heavy food though. Some serious food.
Yeah.
Wagwan. You ready? Mind the can, what you can. My can look good down. You know better now?
Yeah, I'm getting there.
100%?
Getting there.
About 70%?
About 70%.
Yeah?
Okay. Yeah. Wait, you. Man, after a good look at drive, seeing some monkey and all that, we're going to, what, sell off your country. Right now you're good, you know. You're good now, you know. We're going to the dam?
Akosombo.
Akosombo.
Yeah.
Akosombo Dam.
Where we get electricity and then we also provide electricity for the neighboring countries. You don't want to fall in it?
I'm pretty shocked, yeah.
Don't fall in it.
I don't think that's how it works, though. I don't think that's how it works. But yeah, that's our first stop. And then we're gonna check into a hotel. Akosombo, here we come. Alicia, where name? Where name? Where name? Where we go? Where we go? Can't pronounce it. You shouldn't know to speak the language. You don't know to speak our language, Alicia. That's
Akosombo.
Akosombo.
There, you can say it.
Yeah. Alicia just don't know to speak our language. That's fine. It's okay though. Our lingua.
Akosombo Dam.
Yeah, man. Susie.
Ready to have a good time.
Introduce us to Rudy and Valerie.
But you've just done that.
Yeah, we have to say these are my friends.
You've just done that. These are my friends. This is Rudy, Viney, and this is Valerie. Kissy. Hi.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And you are welcome to Akosombo. My name is Erica. I'm with the public relations, but I'm taking you inside the control room where the engineers will take you now. So you enjoy your tour.
Thanks for Erica. I appreciate everything so much.
Where the girls? I was wondering where the girls are. This is why you have internet. This is the reason why you got park. This is everything. Yes. So is caused by here. But at the same time, it gives lights. Have you heard?
So why? That's what I'm trying to figure out. You have this. Why do you get dumb so?
Are you asking me?
Man, it's crazy.
Mr. Sam George?
Follow me.
Okay.
Wherever I go, follow me.
Okay.
It's not that anything untoward is going to happen, but
We couldn't take videos inside, but it was very cool, guys. It was really, really cool. And we definitely need stuff like this, something like this in Jamaica. I think it will help a lot if we produce our own light, don't you think? Through the water. I think somebody has said that before, you know, that Jamaica need to use the water that they have. We're surrounded by water, why not use it? I mean, I know this thing probably expensive, you know, billions to build something like this.
We're driving to the top.
How long have you guys been working here?
I've been working here for 3 years.
3 years?
Going to be 4 years.
Okay.
Yeah, I used to be in the Western Region branch location.
Okay,
Yeah, so I
okay.
worked there for some time before coming over.
Okay, nice. How long have you been here?
2 months.
2 months? Oh, you're fresh. fresh. So we're driving up to the top, guys. I'm not gonna video too much because I know some of you guys you get bored if it's not drama. So we won't video too much. Where we go next? We'll go to the hotel, then we'll go do some stuff. Some other stuff, some fun stuff.
Ooh, thirsty.
Ooh, place hot, man. Come on, AC. Spice up. Understandable.
What's a lot?
if we don't do that, we'll break the dam. And if we break it, it will be catastrophic. Number of people that will die.
It will be darkness.
It will be more than the Libyan people. The number of people that. Well, if this dam break, the water will open it, the water goes.
Big water slide.
Let's go. It's called a hydraulic jump. So that the water.
Debris and stuff like that gets into the turbine that will
We
cause.
have a debris stopper inside.
So yeah, like a filter.
Yeah, it's a filter. It is into the water. Into the water. It is called trash racks. trash rags. She's supposed to be my countrywoman. My family man. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
All right. Safe journey back home.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I appreciate the big time.
We have arrived. Garbage? Looking forward to a stay?
Yeah, I am. I'm ready.
Oh, yeah, you can look in over there. That's so nice. Yeah, we'll show you guys over there. We're talking about soon. Yeah. Need a job.
There was a stair.
This is our room number, guys. You can come check us. Yeah, do that. So this is our room. They bring in the bags, that's why I left the door open. And we have a little balcony. Little vibe. Little vibe, and then the water over there. Nice little vibe. Wow.
Actually, we can see
Yeah.
the room from here.
I can come out here, come
There's
do
somewhere out
exercise.
there.
Can do a workout out here.
Yeah, you can do one tomorrow.
I know I can work out, I know. Guys, Alicia have no interest in working out since she's been here. She just
I'll
want.
work out when I get back. I just want to be on vacation. That's it. I just want to vacate.
Guys, I about to get big since you reach over here.
When I get home, I will. Yeah.
Sorry, back here.
When I get home, I'll work out.
Right. We brought the bags. I just came up here to use the toilet and I realized while I'm using the toilet, I can't just look at Alicia.
Close the door.
The bathtub is here. A joke, there's a door, the toilet, but then there's a shower behind there.
Let me pee, please.
The shower. After I use the toilet, I can bathe. Listen.
I need to pee.
Need a pee? Go on my video. Yeah, showers around there. Who should I talk to? Amik?
Amik, scratch us out?
Or yesterday or the day before.
Babe, look, model up, me see now. Let me see what's going on. Oh, Ghana booty. We're by the pool, chilling.
Yeah.
Susie, feeling.
We have to go in the pool.
Go in the pool, man.
Mommy.
What? You're jumping? You're going in the pool in jeans?
Listen.
Where's the swimsuit?
I don't know why I told you. The West Coast is coming to help me out.
Big,
No, my head, I had it. One.
I'm not coming back to Jamaica. I'm staying in Ghana.
Khadija, how come you're not going in? I'm ready to go in.
This is in a jean shorts. This is Khadija in a jean shorts.
So why did you both come down here? Why? Me and Khadija, I have a question. Nee's ignoring me. Why did you come down here?
For the drinks.
The two of you.
Nee's here for the drinks.
Nee's here for the drinks.
What time is the pool? Let's go in.
Would you like
Six,
late night
six,
swimming?
six.
Oh,
Those are 6.
The pool closes at 6.
Yeah.
go in.
Right, well, fight.
Me, I want to do laps.
Work out.
We're not here to exercise. I better go strictly.
No, this one
Strictly holiday.
tomorrow morning. He said he's exercising. He looked in the mirror and instant depression. I don't see my abs. I don't like how my stomach is.
Why you don't see your husband? What should I say? What should I say if you don't see her?
Oh, we're going over there, sir.
I can show you right now. Bro, don't.
He's coming for you. What time did you see?
These guys trying to hang, but they can't hang. They're all dying right now, trying to hang with the Jamaicans.
We're alive and then the guys are dragging them.
We don't need to compete. We're not from London.
Huh?
We don't need to compete.
London.
We don't need to hold down the fort.
Alright, you want to sleep? You want to choke?
Good.
You want to choke? You sure?
Have you realized every time you record him, there's always something wrong with him.
Exactly.
Every single time.
Always. I know. Honestly, I don't think NSC is the best friend.
Trust me, it's just bad timing. I've never been like this.
It will go by. It will go by. It will pass.
Bringing that vibe.
It will pass.
I've never been like this. Trust me.
It will pass.
What's happening?
It will pass.
Where are you going? Where's Valerie going?
You guys got to come back together. It's go time.
How much?
SG, wake up, man. Yup.
When are we?
What a girl.
And you have the fan. You have the fan, so you can afford to pull your ass.
We fit.
No, don't get up now.
He's one more.
An hour so I'll take us to the Middle East, pass the back of this island, and go to the new railway bridge and back.
I also want to see Lake Club.
That was fun, guys. That was cool. Nice scenery and all that stuff. We're back. Yeah. Hey. Hey, make your head hurt. Yeah. I talk. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little trip and the little excursions with us.
Tired right now.
Yeah, we're tired. We're on the way home, but we're tired. It was a beautiful hotel, beautiful stay.
Very relaxing.
Yeah, you know, and
Relaxing. When I thought I was gonna get sleep.
yeah, we were wrong. Yeah.
They're knocking on the door.
Man, guys, it's amazing. We was driving out, we see the monkeys on the roadside, just chilling, just hanging out. They're like, yo, you know, give me a little small change, buy some banana. You never hear it? You never hear it?
I didn't hear that. I didn't really speak their language.
Yeah, yo, just one banana. You know what I mean? Just, yeah, me and my girl.
Huh?
You never see two of them going on a date?
Gas station here?
Yeah, gas station.
Yeah, we're at the gas station.
You want to use the bathroom?
On
You
Doodle.
gonna get water? Yeah, you can get some.
Been a great trip. You know, we're enjoying ourselves in Ghana so far. From you guys can tell. Huh?
She says if I'm coming, I just took off my shoe.
Oh, you want my sandals?
Are you going with her? I just took off my shoe and put that back on.
Alright, let me go with her then.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs from Ghana. Because you won't be getting these vlogs right through the year. This tired woman. Oh, this tired woman, man.
I'm going in case.
Alright, tired woman. The tired woman says I should go. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.